Skeleton Hiccups by Margery Cuyler, illustrated by S.D. Schindler. Skeleton woke up. Had the hiccups. Took a shower. Brushed his teeth. Polished his bones. Carved a pumpkin. Raked some leaves. Played with ghosts. Ghost told skeleton, hold your breath. Eat some sugar. Press your fingers over your eyeballs. Drink some water. Upside down. Ghost made a face. Said boo to skeleton. But nothing worked. The hiccups stayed. The ghost got smart. Found a mirror. Held it up. Skeleton screamed. The hiccups laughed. They jumped away.